PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. And contrary to what you might think when you read on the internet, it's really been around a long time. And essentially what it involves is drawing blood out of a patient and taking out of it the platelets and some of the plasma that's involved in the healing process, and then using that and injecting it back into the patient, into an injured structure.
It's an excellent treatment for tendinous injuries or muscular injuries. It's also good for early to moderate joint arthritis because the regenerative portion of it means it heals the tissues.
One of the common things we treat here at All Points are disc injuries in the neck and in the lumbar spine. If we can put PRP into the disc of that patient, then over time that disc appears to regenerate.
And what PRP does is stimulate an acute inflammatory response to stimulate your own body's healing. It takes at least 4 to 6 weeks before you start seeing the results, because basically what we do is stimulate that inflammatory response, and you have to allow the body to heal itself. A lot of people say they want natural medicine or holistic. That's about as holistic as you could get, taking the blood from your own body and using it to heal yourself.
If you can get the body to heal itself, then we can get some incredible outcomes that we're not seeing in some of the other treatments that we use for those same conditions.
Are you a candidate for PRP? Are you a candidate just for some physical therapy, or do you just need some rest from your activities? The best thing to do is if you're having pain in a joint, you should see a physician. You can start with your family physician, but you can come straight to us too. We can evaluate, we can determine what the next best step is.
I was dealing with bursitis of my left hip. I couldn't stand for long on my leg. I couldn't barely walk on my leg. Very, very painful to sleep with. I've never heard anything about PRP. And he said, do you want to do that? And I said, at this point, I'll do anything. It's unbelievable. Walking, standing, I can go shopping. I would recommend it to anybody, really. If I ever had to have it done again, I wouldn't hesitate at all.